Hello, this is Colleen with Designs of Value Art, and today I want to show you a surface that I found at Hobby Lobby. Now, I haven't had a lot of time at Hobby Lobby without just running in, picking up what I want and leave, because my husband's normally waiting for me outside. But this day I actually had an hour or two that I could walk around and take my time and take a look at the products that they have to offer. Now, this is a master's touch, so it is made by Hobby Lobby. That's their brand. I bought it at 40% off, so it wasn't a bad value. It's $8.99 here, but 40% off of that was just fine. Now, this product has 10 sheets of 9x12, and it's a watercolor canvas. Now, I had not noticed that they were offering this product before, so I picked one up, especially since it was on sale, and I thought I would try it. It says it's a canvas that's for watercolor and other wet medium. It's primed premium cotton. It's acid-free canvas. So I thought that was rather interesting. Let me show you this. And it does feel like a canvas. And you take it off, and it even says right on the back, instructions, options to prepare your canvas for watercolors. So you want to anchor it to a hard, flat surface, such as a chipboard, which is exactly what I've done, with masking tape, painter's tape, or spray adhesive. Now, this is a painter's tape. I think it's frog tape, which I really like because you can pull it up and it's not going to damage your surface after you're done painting. Or you can stretch it like a canvas and attach it to a wooden canvas frame to prevent buckling or sagging as you're painting or framing. I like this idea because what I can do then when I'm done with this piece is I can turn it over and tape it to my mat on the inside, and then have it put up the mat up against my backing, and this is going to be, you know, with the painted surface in there, and it's going to be really lovely. But I thought this was rather unique. I had never seen this before at Hobby Lobby. So take a look around. You really want to just see what they all have to offer. They are out of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I would like to get down there sometime just to see what they have for stores down there. Check me out at patreon.com, and you can see me use different surfaces like this on a regular basis. I like to bring different surfaces to you. And another little tip that I have to offer here, when I'm putting this on my boards, I'll write on here, this is a watercolor canvas 9x12. So when I pick that surface up, I know exactly what I'm going to be painting on. So that's another little tip that you can use. Thank you again. You have a lovely day.